If you want to find trash on Redmi A7 Pro, then we have a couple of things that we can do. So first of all, if you use gallery to look at your photos and videos, if you delete photos and videos in here, they are moved to recently deleted section. In order to find that section, we need to switch to albums over here at the bottom. And then here in more, we should be able to find recently deleted. And then all of the deleted files stay here for 30 days, so you have the option to recover them until they are gone forever. Or if you want to immediately get some space back, you can of course remove them manually forever. Besides that, if you use the file manager by Xiaomi, and if you delete something using this app, then unfortunately these files are removed forever. So there is no way to recover them. I'm not sure why Xiaomi didn't add the trash into this app, but it's simply not there. So if you try to delete something using the file manager app made by Xiaomi, then the file is gone forever. On the other hand, if you use the Files app by Google, which is another file manager, but this one is of course made by Google, in here you can actually find trash. So whenever you remove something from here, it is sent to trash for 30 days, just like in the case of gallery. In order to find trash, you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then here we have the trash option. And then here you should be able to find everything that has been removed recently, and you have the option to restore or permanently delete something. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.